Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Untapped Healing. And in this channel, we're gonna dive deep on personalities and doctors that have really unlocked healing within thousands and millions of people. A lot of us grew up based off of our schooling, understanding that certain diseases had no cures. But this is not the truth. The only way that we receive healing is by putting in the work for healing. And a lot of us don't want to hear that. But healing is not for everybody. Healing is not for everybody. You only get what you deserve. You don't get what you think you deserve. You get what you deserve. So you have to put in the work to deserve the healing. Because if you think you deserve healing, but you're not putting in the work, then you will not receive the healing result. In this channel, we're going to introduce you guys to doctors that have given that healing result to a lot of people and give you their practices that they follow, give you their workout regimens that they follow, their recipes that they follow, everything. Just really try to get you to understand what it will take from you to receive the healing that you deserve. And you'd be surprised. Like, eating healthy isn't actually terrible. Like, you could literally season things the same way that you seasoned things before, because that's where the magic happens. The magic happens in the kitchen. So why did my journey with healing begin? My journey with healing began about 3 years ago. Unfortunately, I lost my grandmother, but she lived a long life. She lived until she was 90, and though she lived a long life, she suffered all the way to her last day here. I was holding my grandmother when she gave up the ghost, and something within me just awoken. Like, she flew through me, and like something within me just awoken, and it was just, Wale, we need to make it so that you, your family, your loved ones aren't suffering when it's their time to go. Because yeah, I get ran over by a bus tomorrow, it's my time to go, it's my time to go. Like, when the physical body's, it's time to go back into the earth, the physical body, it's time to go back into earth. But if you are grateful for your body, if you are grateful for being blessed, like some people don't got arms, some people don't got legs, some people don't even have the capacity to understand what I'm saying right now. If you are blessed, if you believe that you are blessed and you are truly grateful for your existence here on earth, then you need to consume what allows you to be your greatest version. Because you shouldn't be anything less than your greatest version in this existence. Because we are here to learn. We are here to give. And my grandmother really allowed me to realize that within myself. And I just started diving deep. I just started diving so deep on knowledge and just understanding things. Started realizing that all these diseases are curable. Realizing that our potential as humans is absolutely astronomical. Like, there is no reason why we aren't like just amazing. Like, everyone should be feeling amazing all the time. There should be a time where we're not feeling amazing. Again, in this channel, I'll be introducing you guys to doctors that heal, personalities that heal, and it's not about the certifications. Like, anyone can go to medical school and get the piece of paper. Anyone can go and get the piece of paper. But if you're learning from their books, you're not getting any healing knowledge. You're not learning what it means to heal. Because healing and the pharmaceutical books, those are two completely different things. Those are two completely different theories. Holistic healing requires a whole effort. You can't be partial with the approach. You have to understand what you need to do. You need to implement it on a regular, daily basis, and then you will see the change happen. Because you don't get the results that you think you deserve. You only get the results that you actually put in the work to deserve. If you believe that you are the greatest that earth has to offer, you're watching this channel right now to untap healing within you. If you believe that you are part of the greatest that earth has to offer, then you must consume the greatest that earth has to offer. Mentally, physically, and emotionally. Don't allow friends around you that are dragging you down. Don't allow food into you that is clogging you up and accruing bad energy. Like, if an animal is killed, like, that's bad energy. Like, They were killed for your pleasure. It's just bad energy. And then mentally consuming information that isn't bringing you up, or media that isn't bringing you up. You want to feel great about living. Yo, thank you guys for stopping by today. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. Again, mind, body, spirit, we're really going to be diving deep on every single way we can elevate these so you can untap healing within you. Thanks again for stopping by, guys. Love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo. If y'all got any ideas for videos, throw it in the comment section. I'd love to hear. Nipsey Challenge Day 2 done. Nipsey, we love you. This information is vital. ITEL is vital. Let's win.